One thing that really concerns me in today's QA market is I see so many manual testers who know that they should learn automation testing, but they keep delaying it. So, if you are a manual tester who are thinking that I should go for automation testing, then don't just keep on thinking, act right now. You may think that coding is difficult, it's not my cup of tea, or maybe you're so comfortable in your job that you don't think of adapting to something new. My question is, what are you waiting for? Are you waiting for next interview to tell you that you're missing an automation skill, or you're waiting for a layoff to tell you that industry has changed? Why not to adapt before the urgency? The QA market is evolving rapidly, and with the era of AI, coding is also not an issue anymore now. You will be not learning coding till programmer level. You just need the coding to automate the frameworks, and that's super easy. And if you take my advice, tool which you should be learning is Playwright, because Playwright is the tool which is adapting to modern AI frameworks. And if you see in your companies, they've already started migrating to Playwright. So invest in your skills, invest in your future, because your career is your biggest asset. If you want to learn Playwright and adapt to automation testing, please click on the link below and I'll help you in that.